Hi guys, welcome to my new video about GitHub, and today I want to show you how to connect Orcid ID to your GitHub account. So let's get started, and firstly let's click on the profile icon at the top right. Right here you can find it, and now go to settings. Now you're on the public profile tab, just scroll down a bit, and here you'll see the Orcid ID field. Here you can add other social media accounts or connect your Orcid ID at the very top. And as you understand, we need to click on this button, connect your Orcid ID. And I've already logged into my account if you haven't do so, and after that you will see this window. Here you need to click on authorize access. Just wait a bit, and that's all. Now you'll see here your Orcid ID and this checkbox. You can display your Orcid ID on your GitHub profile. And of course, just below there is the disconnect your Orcid ID button. You can disconnect it easily just by clicking on this button. So this is how you can easily link Orcid ID to your GitHub account. Hope it was helpful. Subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.